Equinox, Spring Equinox, Yoga Nidra meditation. So we will now start our Yoga Nidra immersion. You're laying on your back. Just make sure that you're going to be comfortable for the duration of the practice. And you'll want to remain still so that your body and brain can fully relax. If you do become uncomfortable, feel free to change your position as needed, but keep your eyes closed. I will be guiding you to a hypnagogic state. That's a state of consciousness between waking and sleeping. So just try to remain awake by listening to the sound of my voice. And I will be asking you to move your awareness to various bodily sensations, images, emotions. Try not to overconcentrate. Just absorb what you need in the meditation and leave the rest behind, coming back to the sound of my voice. So tonight, we start our Yoga Nidra off. We're going to invoke Lakshmi. And she is the Hindu goddess. She is the embodiment of beauty, wealth, and abundance. She has very fair skin and long hair, and she may either be standing or sitting on a lotus flower. And she's sometimes depicted surrounded by elephants, showering beautiful nectar around her. She is covered in gemstones and jewelry. So we want to just make sure that you can recognize Lakshmi in your own energies. We'll be working with them. There's no good or bad energies. We're just going to ask Lakshmi to transform our own blockages, any kind of issues we have, any kind of patterns we want to break through. And we'll open with a non-dual invocation. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshvara, Guru Satsat Parabrahma, Tasme Shri Gurave Namaha. Creation is a teacher. Stasis is a teacher. Dissolution is a teacher. The teacher is the form of the Supreme Absolute that stands before your very eyes in any given moment. To that sacred teacher, reverence. So we will let Lakshmi's golden light wash away any disturbances or hooks that occurred from our day. Bring to mind anything that troubled you, and in this Yoga Nidra experience, the healing power of Goddess Lakshmi's light will clear those worries and issues and situations away, allowing yourself to be bathed in the healing energy of this light, as well as enjoying a deep sense of calm and relaxation. In this moment, right now, allow yourself to be transported into a hidden world of pure serenity and tranquility. Close your eyes and visualize yourself standing in the doorway of a lush tropical garden. Feel the walls of jasmine flowers enveloping the garden, and the scent is intoxicating. And this is our own little secret world filled with sunshine and pleasant shadows. Imagine being surrounded by blooming trees, bushes, and flowers, such as gardenias, hydrangeas, orange trees, and big fat roses. The temperature in the garden is just right, pleasingly warm but not overly so. And there is a beautiful waterfall in the garden with a beautiful pool under it. And you are drawn to step into this radiant, sparkling shower of the waterfall, the light, the shower of golden, pure water in this beautiful Lakshmi garden. The element of water, so purifying and enlivening. Feel yourself slowly being undressed of your clothing by the invisible hands of the universe as you step into the shower, stepping into the waterfall. Let the water pour down over your body like gold and silver liquid light, washing away any negative energy and feelings of stress from your life. Allow this light to cleanse your spirit and revive your soul. The memory of your hesitancies, mistaken choices, and karmic impediments melt away in the cleansing stream of sacred light water. You are being bathed here on the equinox, the spring, the transition into spring, by Lakshmi's radiance. And where her water touches your body, it turns your skin to a golden, radiant glow, opening up to the rejuvenating power of Lakshmi light, and allow it to cleanse and restore your mind, body, and spirit. Feel your worries and doubts being cleansed away with each passing stream of light. Let the healing and calming sensation of Lakshmi wash over you and fill you with hope and optimism. I will say Lakshmi's mantra 3 times. Feel the vibration of her mantra. Take it into yourself. Feel it swirl through you. Om Shreem Mahalakshmiyai Namaha. Om Shreem Mahalakshmiyai Namaha. Om Shreem Mahalakshmiyai Namaha. Now, a number of different things will be named, and you should envision them on the level of emotion, memory, and imagination as best you can. Jump from image to image as soon as you hear it. Generosity of spirit, inner flexibility, letting go of the past, invoking love, pink lotus flowers on a smooth lake, inner wisdom, thunderbolts of love, a fire pit blazing on a clear night, sparkling gemstones, golden showers of light, soft silk clothing, clear purpose, good luck, increasing energy, pure grace, a golden egg, the resonance of a bell in the distance, your favorite yoga class, your face in a golden mirror, the sound of my voice, the sound of my voice. And now take a moment to remember the sankalpa or intention that you made at the beginning of our yoga class, that one word or series of words you made, and repeat it to yourself 3 times silently, just knowing that the sankalpa or intention you make in your practice, both your yoga practice and your meditation, your yoga nidra practice, furthers your life, transforms you from the inside out. Yoga Nidra is now complete. Come back to the feeling of your breath going in and out. Easily and gently start to bring your awareness back to your body, your torso, your heart, your limbs, the center of your throat, the space between your eyebrows. You are relaxed and lying on the floor. Visualize the room before opening your eyes. The floor, the ceiling, the windows. Lying quietly until you are ready to move. There's absolutely no rush or hurry. Just keep allowing yourself to be immersed in the energy of Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and fortune, abundance, new ideas, springtime, equinox. You can start to wiggle your fingers and toes, taking your time. And when you are ready, you can bring your knees up to your chest and gently roll over into a fetal position, keeping your eyes closed. While you're in the fetal position, you can visualize the room, the ceiling, the floors, the mirrors before opening your eyes. And when you are ready, push yourself up, being reborn into the rest of your evening or day. Arms out like airplane wings. Very slowly, easily, gently, bring your palms together, feeling your energy body as your palms come together. Feel the strength and vitality of your yoga practice, your meditation practice. Palms together, Anjali Mudra at your heart chakra. Bring your palms apart, bring them back together with a clap. Rub your palms together, really activate some prana in your palms. And we're just going to give ourselves a little prana bath, just sealing the energy that we activated in our meditation. Top of the head, your face, neck, left arm and hand, right arm and hand, your torso, thighs, calves, and feet. Arms out again like airplane wings, and again slowly bring them together, just feeling the strength and vitality of your beautiful life. Anjali Mudra at your heart chakra. Take a deep, deep inhale. Bring your thumb knuckles to your third eye, chin to your chest. Namaste. All right, very good. And give yourself a nice hand. Good class, very good. And have a beautiful equinox. I think the actual equinox is tomorrow. But, you know, these things are like in a 3-day period. So tonight, tomorrow, Wednesday, we can celebrate the beginning of spring. Any questions or concerns, see me afterwards. Beautiful, beautiful class. Thanks for getting in here. Have a great night. Take your time moving. I can't get up. Mostly because one of my legs is asleep. How was that for you? Okay, good. All right. Bonnie Brown, how was that for you?
Good.
Good.
Haven't done yoga since March 2020.
Oh, well, congratulations. You're back in a yoga class. Thanks for getting in here. It was a pleasure meeting you today. Yeah.